Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another declutter month video, which even though the month was officially over, it's kind of continued a little bit into September. Today we're going to be doing, this isn't really declutter though, this is just me showing you what's in my backup skincare drawer, which is a ridiculous statement in itself. I'm fully aware of that. But if you haven't clicked on by now, from watching all my other declutters in the past month and a bit, I have too much stuff, and honestly it's felt incredible. Like, I can't even explain to you how amazing it's felt just to simply get rid of the palettes, the eyeshadow palettes. I will not be getting rid of anything that is in my skincare drawer because this is all brand new, all in one drawer, put to one side until I've used something up from my everyday skincare drawers. So I've kind of semi-organised it. I'm not going to go through and show you every single product because we'd be here forever, but I've kind of organised it. So like back here, which I don't think you'll be able to see, we have like a huge Elemis, I think it might be the cleanser, that one. We also have like, or maybe that's the cleanser, maybe that's the cream. I've got a lot of stuff from when I bought the Elemis advent calendar, and also from when I went through a stage, I think it was like not last year, the year before, and I bought so many advent calendars in the hope that that would help my YouTube channel and help me grow, but I ended up just spending a fortune. It didn't really help, and I ended up with loads of stuff. And I had full intentions of selling some of it to make some money back, and I never did. So this is the situation that I'm in. So this is why I don't want to bin anything, get rid of stuff, because I bought it and I spent a lot of money on it. The advent calendars were not cheap. So how I've kind of organised it is, this is cleansers. You can just put that on the top of there because there's nowhere else to put it. This is creams, like some type of cream in this little section here. Then we have kind of like lip oils going into serums, and then this is like a little bit of like exfoliator with a little bit of like eye cream. Honestly, trying to organise this the other day and get it into somewhat of a system was so hard because of the sizes of everything. It just doesn't fit in the way that my brain would want it to fit. But then I also have like a mix of more cleansers, and we have like toners as well, like another exfoliant. There's honestly absolutely loads in here. Like, we have Kiehl's, we have obviously, like I said, a lot of Elemis in here as well, like Dermatologica, Kiehl's again, because they actually did send me their advent calendar, which was like so cool that they sent me it. But then I went into like a little bit of a depression mode, so I didn't even do a video on it, which was really sad. But yeah, loads of serums. I honestly don't even know how to show you this drawer. Like, it's actually insane. We've got like Charlotte Tilbury, another big Kiehl's one, more Elemis, like these are huge Elemis creams. There's, honestly, this is what I'm really excited to actually try. This Tula Skincare Cooling and Brightening Eye Balm. But the eye stuff that I have on the go at the moment, it just doesn't seem to go down. Do you know what? Instead of actually taking you through this stuff, because I'm not decluttering, I'm going to actually spend the rest of the video showing you what's in my current skincare drawer and like the day and night little tubs that I've got, because I have like a day routine and a night routine. I don't actually do it, but I have it. Let me show you. So this is the top drawer on my dressing table, which was in the hope that I would do the routine, which obviously I'm not very good at, to be honest with you. But these are the little tubs that I've got. So this is my my daytime skincare routine. I just combined the words together there. And then I also have my nighttime routine back here, and then like extra serums and shizners here, in the hopes again that I would use them because they're already open. So I'll show you what's in my daytime. My god, why can't I say that? My daytime one. I actually used this morning before I put a little bit of like bronze. I've literally got like a little bit of powder makeup on today, and it's actually nearly run out, which I'm buzzing about because I absolutely love this, and I do have quite a few backups. So I think the new one has a pump. I don't think it has the squidgy thing, but I definitely want to move on to like using up some other serums. So I won't reopen a new one for a while until I use like another serum up, because I'm trying obviously to get through things. So yeah, we have Revolution Pro Miracle Serum. If you have not tried this, oh my god, your makeup, you can tell, honestly, if you put half this on your face, half without, and do your makeup the same on both sides, you will tell the difference when you've not used this. I don't know what it is, it just saves my skin. It's just incredible. I've got this little PS Intense lip mask, which is like a dupe of the Fenty one, which I absolutely love. It's really, really thick. I've recently just put this in because I want to start doing that. And then I also have this little scrubber that I recently put in as well. We've got the Elemis Pro Collagen Vitality Eye Cream, which I'm definitely need to start using up more. Then we've got the P. Louise Rise and Shine Hyaluronic Acid Serum, which I do really like. And then also the Glow Recipe Niacinamide Dew Drops, which I do really, really like as well. These are actually quite nice together, to be honest. We have the Nip and Fab Nourishing SPF Moisturiser, which actually, do you know what? I'm going to bin that because it's definitely, I think it's gone off a little bit, so that can go in the bin. And then we have the Elemis Pro Collagen Marine Cream, which is like the daytime one, which I think it's actually the night one. Yeah, the night one's nearly used up. That one's actually got quite a bit of a dent in it as well. But then I also have the Superfood Glow Priming Moisturiser there as well. So I've got all of that for like my daytime if I want to do like a proper little skincare routine. Obviously that needs to be, I'm just gonna put that to one side for now because that's more of like a nighttime thing. This drawer, by the way, doesn't include cleansers because what my initial plan was to make my trolley that I showed in Wednesday's video, was to make that into like a skincare drawer and like a skincare trolley. I was going to put all of my cleansers and cleansing cloths and all that palaver, but I can't decide if that's still what I want to do. I don't know what I want to do, but my cleansers are all like to one side. And then back here we have my nighttime stuff. So we have the Elemis Dynamic Surfacing facial pads, which I have actually made quite a dent in, so they'll be getting used up soon. This I've nearly went through, the Elemis Pro Collagen Night Cream. You'll notice a bit of a pattern. I seem to go through night stuff a little bit quicker than my daytime stuff, because on the night time I'm like, oh yeah, I'll put some sun cream. My god, sun cream. No, my god, that's not what I want to say. I put some skincare on to go to bed in. Like I'll try and have a bit of a routine, but on the morning, yeah, that's not a thing. Like, you're lucky if I'm getting ready for work on time, never mind skincare routines on top of it. These are the little micro needle spot patches from Revolution. So good. I would admit, from looking at the price of them, I'd definitely shop about and find some that are a bit cheaper, but it does feel quite spinning. And we've got the Lancome serum, which I've been loving as well. This is a Lancome eye cream, which I don't even know how I'll ever get through this. It is... It's massive. There's so much product in there. Like 15 milliliters is huge for an eye cream. I'm definitely gonna, when I start using these things up, I'm definitely gonna start picking things that are like small to make sure that I get through the little serums and the little creams and stuff first, because otherwise I get stuck on one thing for months and months and months because I barely use it and do the routine to begin with. Never mind trying to get through a huge tub. Like, yeah. I've got this, which is nearly used up as like a little pixie spot solution, which I really like. This, which is the Amanda Holden Brow and Lash Serum, which I'm actually going to put in the bin because that will definitely be out of date. And I do have another one in here that I can use instead. This is the Revolution Peptide Strength Lash and Brow Serum. We have a Revolution 1% IPC Skin Treatment Blemish Cream. Again, absolutely love this. We'll definitely go into that once my Pixie one's fully dead. Then we have an Exfoliate Paula's Choice 2% BHA liquid exfoliant, which I'm actually like coming towards the end of as well. We've got a Kiehl's Midnight Recovery Omega Rich Cloud Cream, which obviously I'll use that up and then move on to, once I've used this one, I'll use that one up and then move on to another little one. And then we have, oh my god, oh, little spot sticker. I actually wore one of these for bed last night. So I've got this big spot that was like brewing on my chin. It does really help. Even though these are like the cheaper Relove ones, I actually find these just as good as Revolution's like normal ones. I don't even know if you can get them anymore, but I thought they'd be gimmicky, but they're actually not. Like, I'm quite impressed. It's like a little P. Louise lip mask, which again is so nourishing. And then we do have some like little skin spot stickers. We've got like some stars, got some little cannabis ones, as you do. Revolution. And then I also have back here some more of the Revolution Pick Me Not Blemish patches. They're quite good with my nighttime stuff, to be honest. Like, not as in like applying it every single night, but I'm actually getting through some stuff quite quickly in comparison to my daytime drawer. And then down the side I've got some extra things. So I have like this Dreamy Mist from Pixie, which is like an overnight mist. And then I also have some spare serums that are open. So we have a Nip and Fab Hyaluronic Fix Extreme Concentrate one. Got a little gelish cuticle oil. Got a Revolution little blemish ones, like a bit like the Mario ones. Is it Mario? Yeah, Mario Badescu. We have like an ordinary niacinamide. We've got this little Pulse point roller, which I might actually put that on my bedside table instead. And then we also have an overnight retinol. Why am I combining words today? Retinol oil, night oil as well. So These are all open, so they're just ones that I want to start using. And then I also have, like, tucked back here, a little Ted Baker cuticle oil as well. I definitely don't put cuticle oil on enough, but do any of us hardcore do our skincare who aren't really that interested in it? Skincare just doesn't hit the spot for me. Like, give me a lip combination all day, every day. Skincare routine, yeah, not really that asked about it. And I also have a Pixie mask back here as well. And I think this is actually my little routine that I made, trying to tell myself what I should be using and what order I should do it in. And it's actually, funny enough, on a P. Louise bit of paper from when I went to their event. I paid to go, by the way. I didn't go like an influencer event. But this was like back when P. Louise was like black and gold. Like when she was just bringing out the base. Like, oh, the good old days. The good old days. That is what is in my current skincare drawer. I definitely want to start doing it more often and get into it more. And I definitely need to start like proper, like, set up for my cleansers and like my cleansing pads and all that palaver. I definitely want, which I actually cleaned, let me grab it. I actually cleaned this with this intention the other day. This little tub. I definitely want to somehow make this into a little bathroom skincare tub. So I think I'd put like a little cleansing balm in there, and then I'd put in some of like the cleansing pads, like new, like clean ones, and maybe like 2 different types of cleansers. So I can do a double cleanse, and maybe like a bit of like, maybe like my little exfoliator scrubber that you saw as well. Just then I can pick it up and take it to the bathroom, wash my face, come back, and it's there, it's done. But we'll see. I can't decide what I want to do yet. I can't decide what I want to do with that trolley. I don't really know what I want to do with it. Please do let me know if you haven't watched my last video on Wednesday. I did a video filming my full, if you can actually, oh my god, I'm zooming you in. 1 minute, girl, let me lift you up. I actually filmed what's in my filming drawers and told you like a full list of videos that I've got planned, so that you can tell me exactly what top 3 videos you want to see. So please, please, girl, go watch that video and let me know what you're thinking and what you want to see first. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. I will see you on Sunday. Yeah, love you so much. Thank you so much. Peace out, guys. Why should I say it weird like that? But yeah, love you, bye.